Hello friends, welcome back to Python Space. Today we are starting a brand new Python quizzes series, and this is the first quiz in this series. Let's solve this problem. To solve this problem, we need to understand two things here. One is the append method and second one is the extend method. So these two methods are used to add data to the quiz, to add data to the Python list. Okay. So let's take one example. I have something called numbers here and assume that this list has 1, 2, 3. Okay. Now if I want to add, for example, 10 at the end of this list, in that case, what I can do is I can do numbers of append. And if I give 10, the 10 will be added at the end of the list. Okay. Let's print out numbers and see. See here, the 10 has been added at the end of the list. And it's not only a single number, you can give any object here. Object in the sense, even you can give a string or a list itself. Okay, now let's do it one more time. Numbers dot append. And this time what I will do is I will give 5, 6, 7 as a list as a input. Now if I see the numbers, see here, the entire object, right, whatever the object that we have passed to append, that will be added as the last element to the list. So that is how append works. But when it comes to extend is a little different. Though we use extend to add data to the list, but it is a little different. How it is different? Extend will take only iterables as an input value here. When we say iterables, it can take a string, list, tuple or a dictionary as an input. Okay, let me show that. For example, if you try to give 100 here, it will throw the error. That's because extend will only accept the iterable object as a input. You can see the error here. Okay, now let's give the iterable. So this time what I will do is I will give go as a input. So what it will do is it will iterate over all the elements in the given iterable object and it will add them at the end of the list. So now let's print out the numbers. See here, at the end, each character has been separated and then added at the end. And if you do one more thing, let's run one more example. This time what I will do is I will give something like 10, 20, 30 as an input here. Now if you see the output, see here, the 10, 20 has been added as a separate elements to the list. Okay, so that is the difference between append and extend. So append will add whatever the input that we give at the end of the list. It can be anything. But whereas extend will take only iterables as input and that will be iterated through it and each element will be added separately to the list. So after this video, I hope you will be able to answer this quiz. And the answer for this quiz is C. Okay, I hope you like this video and please subscribe to our YouTube channel, and we are going to do many more interesting problems in this programming series.